Welcome to Facts and Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to sidechain a loop with Bandpass. Open up the app. And then press this button to open up a project, a new project. Name your project. Choose the configuration using this to scroll up and down. I recommend a 5 out of 4, but you can choose any of them. I'll click on it first here and scroll down. Press OK. Then we're going to create a tune same like before with these keys. I'm just creating a random tune right now. Okay. Now we're going to press this button. Then this button. Then you're going to scroll down like with this. Scroll down in this area. And you're going to find sidechain compressor, something like that. Yeah, sidechain compressor. To find it, you click right here. So if you have more than one loop, just slide this to the left. Then you're going to click that button. So click this button if you have more than one loop want to add, and sidechain it. Then you click it, then press done. Now it's time to tell you what these are. You'll slide these things up and down to adjust their settings. But let me tell you what they mean. So the threshold is the point at which the compressor kicks in, and the ratio is the amount of compression you're getting. The attack is when a sound overshoots the volume threshold. The compressor does not instantly apply the full compression to the overshooting signal. Instead, the compression ratio increases gradually from 1 out of 1 to the maximum within a certain amount of time. The release is when the sound drops back below the threshold. The compressor does not instantly start compressing the sound. Instead, it gradually reduces the compression ratio until it reaches 1 out of 1 again. So yeah, let's play with the settings, shall we? Then you press the back button on your phone. And let's see. Let's put the settings again. Let's see what. So yeah, let's continue playing with the settings, shall we? Press the back button on your phone to back to this menu. Let's see. See? Changes it a bit. So yeah, that is how you sidechain a loop. And thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe, and comment down below, and in the comments, please tell me what tutorial you want me to do next. Thank you. Bye.